Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com, and I'm really excited about today's video. I'm actually starting something new on my blog to help and inspire Etsy sellers that are starting with their experience in Etsy or starting with their handmade business. And what I'm starting to do now is get Etsy shops featured in my blog. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my Etsy YouTube channel and you're interested in learning how to grow your handmade business, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe today, and don't forget to share this video with anyone else that might want to get featured on my blog. So basically what I'm doing to kind of talk a little bit more about it is that I am accepting stores that have 1,000 sales or more. The reason why I'm just selecting stores with 1,000 sales is because I want people that have had a little bit more experience in selling on Etsy, that could share their experience, that could share what type of skills they had to learn, what type of triumphs maybe they went through, um, what they love about Etsy, maybe what they dislike about Etsy, maybe some hardships that they've gone through. But I want people to be to be honest and share to other people that you could be successful in Etsy, but it does require, some work from your end, whether it's learning SEO, whether it's learning a new skill, whether it's learning photography, etc. And what I will be doing is, if you're interested in getting your Etsy shop feature, all you have to do is go to my blog. I will leave the link below this video, and all you have to do is go on the bottom of the blog, put in your email right here, and basically you will get an email with 8 to 9 questions. You answer all 9 questions. You email me that information, and what I would do is I'm gonna be adding a extra category on my blog of feature shops, and then what I do is I also share those feature shops with over 10,000 Etsy email subscribers that I currently have. I will also share it in my social media platforms. So I have my Instagram that has like 43,000 followers. My Twitter has about 129,000. I will share my Pinterest, which is about roughly 14,000, etc. And then kind of share it all across my social media platforms. I would share it on LinkedIn, which is like about 20,000 followers. So I would share it all across, which is a combination of 218,000 social media friends, you could say, or how many people are following me. So I will share it all across, which will give you a little bit of exposure. Hopefully, some people will click and visit your shop and maybe even buy from you. But the overall point of getting your shop featured is for you to share your story of how you started, what made you, what inspired you to open an Etsy shop, and that way you could inspire other people as well. And you'll be able, as the Etsy seller who is getting featured, you'll be able to also share your social media handles, your Etsy shop link, and also any other way that you would like people to reach out to you. So I'm giving you an opportunity to also um, help other people, but then also help yourself by providing links, and maybe you'll get a little bit of following as well. This is free. You don't have to pay for doing this. Now, do keep in mind that the last time I did something like this, I didn't expect the large volume that I got of so many people responding. So I don't know how many people are going to respond. I'm going to try my best to upload people that I feature on a weekly basis, maybe 3 times a week right now is what I'm thinking of, and seeing based on how many responses I get. If it's not that many, then I'll probably do one per week, maybe on Fridays. But if I get more responses, maybe I'll do 3 per week. And then what I'll do is once I upload and share all across my social media platforms, I will email you and let you know that I went ahead and shared. And that way you guys are notified of when I share that in case you guys want to go ahead and share it from your end. But yeah, I just wanted to do this quick video so you guys could know. that I am currently running this, not promotion, but kind of this ordeal that you could get featured on my Etsy shop or on my Etsy blog. So if you're interested, make sure that you click below to get the link. And don't forget to go ahead and share this video with any other Etsy sellers, or maybe just share it in your social media platforms. And don't forget to like and comment. Thank you guys.